Logan Motter, November 4th, 2018. Bethany Terry, speech 205, persuasive speech. Economic security is the security we need in America. Paying our interns would not only benefit major corporations, but it would benefit middle class and lower class America. Giving money back to the people is what makes the people effective. Overall, internships that are paid compared to unpaid is the better option. First, paying interns is clearly the safest legal option. To not pay an intern is illegal, regardless of the outcome of such legal battles, such as back in December of 2017, about a 5-year battle, Viacom had a $7.2 million lawsuit, which they lost because they had unpaid interns working extra hours. And also they did a minimum wage. Unpaid interns also artificially limit a company's hiring pool. If internships are unpaid, then students who can make the money and do all the work can't support themselves. They have to work 2 jobs in order to basically survive. And then they come into work the next day, they're exhausted. They can't function correctly. They won't be able to do the job. They're out of place. That's not what the company wants anyways. They want a kid that's smart, focused, and able to get the job done. If the kid can't do that, what's the point of having them on the internship? Regardless of the fact, the kid should have money to be able to spend. If a kid goes on an internship in Chicago, the kid should have money to spend in Chicago instead of trying to make ends meet at a McDonald's. Those financial realities stand to put internships outside the realm of possibility for those who are affluent. That is a huge percentage of college students. A recent study found more than 60 American studies found that 36% of college students don't have enough food and or enough supplies to make them through an internship is why they don't apply. CNBC calculated last year that they would cost around $9,506 to live for the summer in a city such as Los Angeles, New York, or even such as Dallas. An unpaid internship would forego about $3,500, $4,000 before taxes, meaning that an internship could cost roughly $13,000 for the summer. And students who are struggling to eat and pay rent can't do that. They shouldn't shoulder that responsibility and those extra hardships. College is hard enough as it is. In order to survive, pay 2 jobs just to make networktivity and then just to make ends meet, it's redundant. Many companies go on to hire their interns after graduation, however, about 67%, but those 37 are still left out. Internships provide a valuable learning experience for those interested in day-to-day operations. I like to think so, but that's not necessarily the case. Interns are usually the ones who learn just how the day-to-day office goes. They don't learn real valuable skills such as in a co-op or other work-study related options. A letter from your school confirming that you received school credit can validate the internship, but that doesn't mean that you have really learned. One study showed that through the companies such as Viacom, all the interns had to do was just make coffee, get the food, and make the meetings go swell. They didn't learn any real job opportunities, and they didn't learn how the work study really went. But we need to start taking internships seriously. If we want to attract if they want to attract the best candidates, they need to gather together all the students and start paying them. They can't not pay the students in order to further advance their professionalism. Overall, students should be able to get paid in their internships. The fact that they still go on is illegal. It is known as child labor and or indicted studies. If we were to give money back to the students and or other interns who require the extra experience, they would benefit their own company and their own lives. Thank you.